Okay, wait, what's the bet?
$3 if he does a full swing like that.
And $80. That's a lot of money.
Come on, Chase.
They
You
know
can
how
do
a
it.
lot of money.
Go, Tristan, go.
All the way up. Tip it.
Tip.
Keep going. Drink, drink, drink.
Drink. Now it's time for the dollar. Oh my God.
Pay up.
Pay up. Pay up, Mikey. Give me it.
What's your dollar?
Yeah.
He said $3.
Yeah. I'm not going to get it.
Where's your $3?